What if your skin could literally glow from the inside out? No filter needed. Today I am sharing my top glow up juice recipes, all under 5 ingredients, packed with vitamins, and they actually taste amazing. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're trying to boost your skin, your energy, or just feel like the best version of yourself, these juices are for you. I do these recipes on rotation and I genuinely notice a difference in my skin and how I feel. Okay, first one, my absolute favorite. Recipe 1. The Radiance Shot. This is my Golden Glow juice. You need 2 large carrots, 1 orange peeled, a thumb-sized piece of fresh turmeric, and a squeeze of lemon. Carrots and oranges are loaded with beta-carotene and vitamin C. Literally the combo your skin craves. Turmeric fights inflammation and lemon helps flush out toxins. Just run everything through your juicer, pour it over ice, and that color, stunning. It tastes like sunshine. Recipe 2. The Clear Skin Green. Next up, the Clear Skin Green juice. This one sounds intense, but I promise it's so refreshing. A big handful of spinach, half a cucumber, 1 green apple, juice of half a lime, and a few sprigs of fresh mint. Spinach and cucumber hydrate deeply and help reduce puffiness. Green apple adds natural sweetness and pectin, which supports gut health. And trust me, clear skin starts in the gut. The lime and mint just make it chef's kiss. This is my morning reset juice. Recipe 3. The Glow Berry Blend. Now this one looks like it belongs on a rooftop in Bali. The Glow Berry Blast, 1 cup of watermelon, cubed, half a cup of strawberries, 1 beet, yes, beet, don't skip it. And a small piece of ginger. Watermelon is 92% water, so instant hydration. Strawberries are packed with antioxidants. Beet increases blood flow, which gives your skin that natural flush. And ginger? It's anti-inflammatory and gives this juice a little kick. The color alone will make your followers obsessed. Tips section. A few quick tips to get the most out of your glow-up juices. 1. Drink them fresh. Once you juice, nutrients start breaking down fast, so drink within 20 minutes if you can. 2. Drink on an empty stomach in the morning for maximum absorption. 3. Be consistent. 1 juice won't transform your skin overnight, but 2 to 3 weeks of this, you'll see the difference. And 4. If you don't have a juicer, a high-speed blender works too. Just strain it through a fine mesh or nut milk bag. That's it. 3 glow-up juices that are genuinely easy, beautiful, and your skin will thank you for. Try one this week and let me know in the comments which one you're making first. I'm betting it's the berry one. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more wellness recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. Glow up, babe.